Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Binatama Farmasi. I'm Luciana. Is there anything I can help?
Yes, do you have a good supplement?
For who, ma'am?
For me, I feel my body is so tired doing a lot of overtime at the office. My son at home is also cranky, so I can't sleep well for these several days. Well, in my office, there are two friends which is recovered from COVID-19 and they're just start working again today so that I don't get sick. What vitamin should I take?
I see. If you want to increase the endurance, preferably from a nutritionally balanced meals, calories, protein, fiber, vegetables, and fruit are enough. Adequate sleep can also help boost the immune system, ma'am.
But I was eating inconsequential and lack of sleep also. That's why I want to find a good supplement or vitamin.
Okay, ma'am, wait a minute. I will get it for you. Here are some vitamins that I can recommend for you, ma'am. There is vitamin C 1000 mg. If you have gastric pains, you need to take it a day after meals. Then here are vitamins D3 1000 IU and vitamin E 400 IU. You need to take them a day also. And the last is zinc tablets 50 mg.
4 kinds of vitamins?
Yes, ma'am. These 4 kinds with a recommended dosage. It is a little expensive, ma'am.
Do you have one that contains all of these, but one tablet only?
Of course we have. Wait a minute. This is complete. There is vitamin C, vitamin B, E, calcium, and also zinc. Indeed, the dosage is not as high as the bottle one, but it is sufficient for daily vitamins need. It will be even better if followed by consumed at balanced intake of nutritious vegetables, fruit, doing light exercise in sun between 8 to 10 in the morning, and don't forget to get enough sleep at night between 6 to 8 hours.
I see. How much is it?
This is a strip of 5 tablets. The price is 20,000. Remember, just take it a day, ma'am.
Okay, I will do first.
Okay, ma'am, wait a minute. Well, is there anything else I can help you?
I don't think so. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. This is your vitamins, 40,000 in total.
Okay, here is the money, 40,000, right?
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Wish you have a good health always.
Yes, thank you.